Imagine this. You open Instagram or TikTok. People your age, new iPhones, nice cars, trips, restaurants, designer clothes, and a quiet thought hits you. Everyone is doing better than me. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most of these people are not rich. They just look rich, and that illusion is exactly what keeps them broke. We live in a world where wealth is confused with appearance. If you have expensive things, you must be successful. If you don't, something is wrong with you. But money doesn't work that way. Income is what comes in. Wealth is what stays. If you make good money, but your bank account is empty before the next paycheck, you're not rich. You're just maintaining an expensive image. Real wealth is boring. It's invisible. It's savings, investments, emergency funds, freedom. You can't post the story saying, "Here's my index fund," or "I can survive 6 months without a job," but you can post a new phone, a car, a restaurant dinner. So your brain makes a mistake. It assumes what it sees is success. Your brain was never designed for modern money. Thousands of years ago, status meant survival. If you looked powerful, you were protected. Today, nothing changed except one thing. Now you can buy status with debt, credit cards, loans, buy now, pay later. You're not buying things, you're buying the feeling of being enough. The dopamine fades, the payments don't. Let's keep it simple. If you waste just $300 a month on things you don't need, that's $3,600 a year. In 10 years, $36,000. That's not coffee money. That's years of your life. Every unnecessary purchase doesn't just cost money, it costs future options. Before any expensive purchase, ask one question. Does this make me freer or just make me look successful? If it's the second one, you're not buying the item, you're buying an illusion. And illusions are the most expensive products on earth. Real status isn't a car, or a phone, or a brand. Real status is sleeping well at night, knowing you're not trapped. If this video made you think, hit like and comment below, which purchase do you see differently now? This is Money Master. Learn to control money before it controls you.